Dakota, March the 1st, the shelter belt is draining. 500 birds to 1,000 out of one thicket, and they're still flying all the way ahead of us in this tree belt. We got 4 dogs on the ground. Holy moly, they're still coming out. They're still coming out. Look at them go out. Corey, they're still coming out. Here comes another 50. Holy moly. That's what leaving hundreds of acres of Milo and having CRP does for you. Look at that rooster go there. Oh my goodness. They're still coming out, Corey. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the Suburban in a snowdrift. Unbelievable. Corey, they're still coming. They're still coming out.